नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज प्रैक्टिस सेट 7.4 का स्टडी करेंगे। एग्जाम्पल नंबर फर्स्ट इन फिगर ए इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल। ए इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल। एंगल ए बी सी इज इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री and AC is the radius is 7 root 2 centimeter. Find the area of segment BXC. पहले गिवन यहां पे राइट करोगे, गिवन मेजर एंगल ABC is equal to 45 डिग्री, radius AC is equal to 7 root 2 centimeter. Okay, as angle measure radius AC is congruent to AB because radii of same circle. Therefore, opposite side of AC, angle ABC is congruent angle ACB because angles, opposite angles of congruent sides. Therefore, given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to 45 degree. Then we can use the angle sum property of triangle. In triangle ABC, measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C is equal to 180 degree because angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay, putting the given values, angle A plus 45 degree plus 45 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus 90 degree, 45 plus 45, 90 is equal to 180 degree. This 90 shift towards RHS, it becomes minus. Therefore, angle A is equal to 90 degree. This is the most important concept. Then now find the area of the segment BXC. We have the formula of area of segment BXC. Area of segment BXC is equal to R square in bracket pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2 is the formula of area of segment BXC. Then now putting the given values, putting the given values. Okay, area of segment BXC, area of segment BXC is equal to R square. R is the 7 root 2 square in bracket pi theta. Value of the pi we can write here 3.14 into theta is 90. Okay, theta is 90. Angle A is the theta. This is 90 degree. Okay, theta is 90 degree. This is 45. Therefore, this is 45, and then remaining angle of a triangle is 90 degree. Okay, divided by 360 as it is. Minus sine 90 degree upon 2. Then we have sine 90 is equal to 1. This square goes here, 49 into 2 square of square root 2 into this 0 get cancel, 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. That is 3.14 upon 4 minus sine 90, 1 upon 2. Okay, we put here sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Then simplify here. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. Okay, here base is same, therefore we can write here 9 2s are 18, 1 by hand, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, multiply by 1.57. Okay, 1.57 minus 1.57 minus 1.00 divided by 2. Okay, is equal to 98 multiply by 0.57 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 put here, 2 9s are 18. Then multiply this, 49 multiply by 0.57. Okay, then now multiply this, area of segment BXC is equal to, एरिया है, यूनिट है इसका सेंटीमीटर, देयरफॉर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, मल्टीप्लाई करो, आंसर आएगा 27.93 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. राइट डाउन और स्क्रीनशॉट. थैंक यू. नमस्कार दोस्तों, अब प्रैक्टिस सेट 7.4 एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 का स्टडी करेंगे. इन द फिगर O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Measure arc PQR is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle theta is equal to 60 degree. Radius OP is equal to 10 centimeter. This angle is also 60 degree. As this arc is 60 degree, therefore this angle is 60 degree. Find the shaded region. The shaded region is the measure of sector. Okay, first we can write here given measure arc PQR is equal to 60 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. Okay, that theta is measure angle POR. Measure angle POR is equal to theta is equal to 60 degree. And another point, radius OR is equal to 10 centimeter. This is the given here. Then now the area of shaded region. We have area of shaded region is equal to R square in bracket pi theta upon 360 minus sine theta upon 2. This is the formula. Then now putting the given values. Area of shaded region is equal to r square. R is the 10, its square in second bracket pi 3.14. Theta is 60 degree given here, divided by 360 degree minus sine 60 sine theta, we have the theta 60 degree upon 2. We have here sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2 is the value of sine 60 degree. Then now putting here is equal to 100 in bracket, this 0 get cancel, 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36, that is 3.14 upon 6 minus sine 60 root 3 upon 2. We put here root 3 upon 2 and this 2. Okay, then now simplify here is equal to 100 into 3.14 upon 6 minus root 3 upon 4. Then now simplify here 100, here sine 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2. Okay, here sine 60 degree root 3 upon 2 put here. Okay, then now 100 into in bracket here 6 and 4, the denominator 6 and 4 having LCM is 12, therefore here 3.14 divided by 6 2 is 12, न्यूमरेटर को भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, माइनस रूट 3 अपॉन 4, 4 3 is 12, डिनोमिनेटर को और न्यूमरेटर को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. ओके, इज इक्वल टू 100 इंटू डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो गया अभी 12, सिंगल टाइम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे 4 2 झा 8, 2 1 झा 2, 6 2 झा 3 2 झा 6 minus value of root 3 is given here. Simplify here, root 3 1.73 multiply by this 3, 3 3 झा 9, 7 3 झा 21, 3 1 झा 3 and 2 5, 5.19, 5.19. Then simplify here is equal to 100 or simplify here 2 6 झा 12. Okay, 2 5 झा 10, this put here also 2 3 झा 6, 2 2 झा 4, 2 5 झा 10, that is here 25 in bracket, this subtraction 6.28 minus 5.19, 18 minus 9 9, here 1 minus 1 0, 1.01, 1.01 sorry 9 upon 3. Okay, then now simplify this. Okay, 9 point here simplify here 3 1 झा 3, 0.33 झा 9, 1 put here 3 6 झा 18, 1.33 झा 9, that is 0 point here 25 multiply by 0.363, then product here we get 9.08 centimeter square is the final answer. Okay, write down. नमस्कार दोस्तों, अब प्रैक्टिस सेट 7.4 एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 का स्टडी करेंगे. इफ A is the center of the circle, एंगल पी ए आर is equal to 30 degree. AP is the radius is 7.5 unit. Find the area of segment PQR. First we can write given here. जो दिया हुआ है वह राइट करेंगे. एंगल PAR is equal to 30 degree and radius AP is equal to 7.5 unit. And then now we have the formula of area of segment. Area of segment is equal to, segment का नाम है PQR, that is this segment. Okay, R square in bracket pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2 is the formula. Then now putting the given values. Value of R is 7.5. It's a square. Value of pi is given here, 3.14 into theta, 30 upon 360 minus sin 30 upon 2. We have the value of sin 30 half. 75 square is equal to 5625. Then point put here. In bracket, 0 get cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Then 3.14, okay, divided by 12 minus sin 30. Value of sin 30 put here 1/2, that is 1 into half, that is multiply here. Then now 56.25 in bracket, here 2 2s are 4, 3.14 upon 12 minus 1 upon 4. Then LCM, 4 3s are 12, multiply by 3 here, numerator also. Okay, then now write here area of segment. We can write here PQR, area of segment PQR is equal to 56.25 into here 3.14 minus 3.0 divided by 12. Then now simplify carefully. Area of segment PQR is equal to 56.25 into 0.14 upon 12. Simplify carefully, we get answer here. Simplify karo. Area of segment PQR is equal to, यूनिट यहाँ पे दिया हुआ नहीं है, यूनिट है सेंटीमीटर मीटर, कोई दिया नहीं है. सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद आंसर आएगा 0.625 यूनिट स्क्वायर इज द फाइनल आंसर. ओके, यूनिट स्क्वायर यहाँ पे लिखना जरूरी है. ओके, राइट डाउन आर स्क्रीनशॉट. थैंक यू. नमस्कार दोस्तों, अब प्रैक्टिस सेट 7.4 का एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4 सॉल्व करेंगे. इफ O इज द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल, PQ इज द कॉर्ड एंड POQ इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. area of shaded region is 114 centimeters square. Find the radius of the circle. First we can write the given. Measure of angle POQ is equal to 90 degree. Area of shaded region is 114 centimeters square, and find the radius of the circle. Okay. Then we have area of segment is equal to r square in bracket pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. This is the formula. In this formula, putting the given values, we have area of segment is given here 114 centimeters square. R square is to be find out. Pi value of pi is 3.14 into theta is 90 degree divided by 360 minus sin 90 degree upon 2, and we have sin 90 is equal to 1. Therefore, we can write here 114 is equal to r square in bracket. This 0 get cancel. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, that is 3.14 upon 4 minus sin 90 is 1 upon 2 as it is. Here we can write here sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Okay. Then simplify here. Subtraction of two fractions. Base 2 2s are 4, multiply by 2 as numerator as well as denominator. 114 is equal to r square in bracket 3.14 upon 4 minus 2 upon 2 2s are 4. Then now properly simplify here. Okay, 114 we can write as it is equal to r square also as it is, bracket also as it is. In bracket denominator is same, therefore we can write here single time 3.14 minus 2.00, that is 1.14. Okay, 1.14. Then transfer this fraction into LHS. We write here reciprocal. 114 multiplied by 4 upon 1.14 is equal to r square. Eliminate this point. Measure the digits up to RHS 2 digit. We can write here also 2 zeros. Okay. Here two numbers eliminate. 114 multiplied by 400 divided by 114 is equal to r square. 114 get cancelled. Now taking square root on both sides, here r square is equal to 400. Now taking square root on both sides, therefore r is equal to 20 unit centimeter. We can write here centimeter. Radius of the given circle is 20 centimeter. Write down or screenshot. Thank you. दोस्तों अब प्रैक्टिस सेट 7.4 एग्जांपल नंबर 5 का स्टडी करेंगे. A chord PQ of a circle. Chord PQ of a circle with radius 15 centimeter. Subtend an angle of 60 degree. This angle is given here 60 degree with the center of the circle. Find the area of minor as well as major segment. This minor segment is shaded here and major segment is non-shaded, because consider here this is the circle. If we divide the chord, this is the minor segment and this non-shaded part is the major segment. This is the minor segment. Okay, we can show here. First we can write the given. सबसे पहले given जो दिया है वह राइट करना है। रेडियस is equal to 15 centimeter. Angle theta, measure angle theta, that is measure angle POQ is equal to theta is equal to 60 degree. Then now pi and root 3 is given here. उसके बाद दोस्तों यहाँ पे we have the area of minor segment. Area of minor segment नाम है उसका PMQ. We can denote it by black. PMQ is equal to R square in bracket pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. This is the formula. We can write here formula. Then now putting the given values. इसके अंदर जो दिया हुआ है वह वैल्यूज यहाँ पे पुट करना है. एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेगमेंट PMQ is equal to R. Value of R is here 15. Right here 15. It's a square in bracket value of pi 3.14. It is also given here into theta. Theta is 60 here divided by 360 minus sin 60 degree divided by 2. We have the value of sin 60 root 3 upon 2. Put here as it is. We can write here 15 square. We have value of 15 square 225. Okay, this 0 get cancel. 6 1 are 6, 6 6 are 36. 3.14 upon 6 minus sin 60 we have root 3 upon 2, and this 2 we can write as it is. Okay, we can write here sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. Okay, then now simplify here. 225 3.14 divided by 6 minus value of root 3 is given here 1.73 upon 4. Subtraction of these two fractions, we can find the LCM. यहाँ पे LCM निकालो. LCM निकालना एकदम इजी है. 4 6 ऐसे वर्टिकल राइट करना है. 2 की टेस्ट 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, 3 की टेस्ट 3 1 जा 3, 2 एज इट इज. 2 की टेस्ट 2 1 जा 2, मतलब 2 2 जा 4, 4 3 जा 12. LCM is equal to 12. Okay, therefore we can multiply by here 2. 6 2 जा 12. Okay, as denominator multiply by 2, numerator also. Here this 4 makes the LCM, that is 4 3 जा 12. As we multiply the denominator by 3, numerator also multiply by 3. Okay, यहाँ पे denominator same हो गया. 225 in bracket 4 2 जा 8, 2 1 जा 2, 3 2 जा 6, that is 6.28. We can write here properly. Minus 3 3 जा 9, 7 3 जा 21, by hand 2, 3 1 जा 3 and 2 5. We can write here point. Then 6 2 जा 12. We can write single time. Okay. Then now very easy is that, my dear friends. We can write here 212 as it is. 225. Here 8 minus 9 is not possible. Rough work is that minus 5.19. Okay, 8 minus 9 is not possible. Take here 1, here makes 18. 9 1 minus 1 0, 1.1 sorry 1.09 into 1.09 divided by 12. Okay, simplify carefully. We get the answer प्लीज सिंप्लीफाई my dear friends, simplify. What is the answer? Simplify here carefully. 20.43 is the answer. 20.43 approximately centimeter square, approximately area of minor segment, which PMQ is approximately equal to 20.43 centimeter square. Okay, then now we can find the area of major segment. We have the formula of area of circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. We have the value of pi, 3.14 is given here. 3.14 multiplied by r square, that is 15 square. Okay, then 3.14 multiplied by 225. Okay, area of circle centimeter square given here. Please simplify carefully my dear friends. करना है, तुम्हें करना है दिस मल्टीप्लाई. उसका आंसर आएगा, क्या आएगा देखो, 706.5 आएगा. 706.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आएगा. ओके, तो ए पूरे सर्कल का एरिया में से ए सेगमेंट माइनस किया तो एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेगमेंट मिल जाएगा. तो चलो यहाँ पे एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेगमेंट PNQ is equal to area of the circle minus area of minor segment PMQ. यहाँ पे एरिया ऑफ सर्कल निकाला है 706.5 माइनस एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेगमेंट यहाँ पे निकाला है. देखो, सपोज दैट दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट, दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर सेकंड. तो यहाँ पे है 20.43. तो सब्ट्रैक्शन करो, सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा, एरिया ऑफ द मेजर सेगमेंट मिल जाएगा. चलो सब्ट्रैक्शन करो, सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है दोस्तों. कितना आया देखो, सब्ट्रैक्शन 706.5 ओके माइनस 20.43 सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है, वो आएगा 686.7. करके देखो. तो सॉरी यहाँ पे नॉट 7 आएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे 0 लेना पड़ेगा, नॉट 7 आएगा. ओके, यहाँ पे पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट्स है तो यहाँ पे भी 2 डिजिट्स बनाने पड़ेंगे. ओके, तो 10 - 3 7, 4 - 1 दैट इज 4 - 4 0. ओके, वही आएगा 7 6. ओके, 686.07 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे पूरा स्टेटमेंट लिखना है, एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेगमेंट PNQ ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा. ये एरिया पूरे मेजर सेगमेंट का है. राइट डाउन प्लीज. ओके, थैंक यू दोस्तों. यदि वीडियो पसंद आया है तो लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो और शेयर करो. थैंक यू.